Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well, and thank you very much for tuning into my YouTube channel. If you're returning, thank you very much for returning and being a member or just watching the videos. It does help a lot. And if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. I appreciate you checking out my channel. And just if you haven't checked out the other videos, please do so. It does help a lot. And I'll just give you a brief description of what we're doing. What we're doing is renovating a mid-century ranch-style home. We've already done phase one, which was renovating the kitchen, dining room, building a pantry, and also renovating the entry. So what we're doing in phase two now is the living room and the hallway that leads to all the bedrooms and bathrooms. We're gonna rip out all the flooring in those two areas and carry the new flooring into the hallway and the living room, so it has like that nice cohesive flow. All the flooring being the same will give that illusion that it feels bigger, more spacious, and it just looks nicer. Also, we removed all the popcorn ceiling, which was a feat in itself because it was already previously painted. So yeah, we removed that, and then we're building two like 13 to 14 inch deep walls on either side of the fireplace just to frame that in, and put a nice big chunky thick wooden mantle over the fireplace. And we're gonna hang the TV in there so it's nicely framed in, and two built-in cabinets on either side of the fireplace just for extra storage. And then above each shelf we will have two floating shelves for a visual interest and a punch. And what I intend to do with those shelves is faux finish them so that they match the fireplace mantle, so that they have that nice flow together. And my plan is to stain and faux finish those so they match the dining room table, just to bring that color of that wood into this room. And also we have a ceiling fan that was installed in the living room, which adds much needed light and cooling. And also the the living room window is being changed as well. It's still the original window, single pane, no sound deadening, no insulation value or R factor. But yeah, so we're replacing that, and it'll match the dining room window, so it'll have like the nice grid pattern in it. And yeah, so let's crack on with the videos, and I'll be right back. So this is just a picture of the room before reno. As you can see in here, we're already scraping off the ceiling, the popcorn texture off the ceiling. And normally what you would do is just spray water on it and the popcorn just absorbs it, and it's easier to scrape off in just nice big sheets. But since it was previously painted, it took more scraping to get it to soak up the water, so kind of had to pre-scrape it, spray it numerous times to get water to soak up, and then eventually it soaks it up and it started coming off. There was a previous repair job to the ceiling, which probably was a leak in the roof, but since there's a new roof on it, there's no longer a leak. And yeah, so I had to smooth that out and apply a texture coat over it so it would match in with the rest of the texture of the ceiling and the walls, which is what I'm trying to do here. Trying to get the texture on, and once it gets on in basically like globs like that, let it set up for a few minutes, and then you'll come back and knock down the texture, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So you can just knock it down so it's flat and smoothed out, and it blended in pretty good, so we're happy. After we removed all the carpeting from the floor, we just applied 2 coats of sealer primer onto the floor just to seal it up. And this is what the room looked like after we removed all the popcorn texture from the ceiling. And that's the fireplace wall that's going to get the 2 side walls. Hallway, it's all been stripped out. Popcorn's gone, carpeting's gone. So that was this week's video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. A lot of work was done on that, just getting that ceiling off. Anyway, in next week's video, we will be constructing the 2 sidewalls on either side of the fireplace, and also probably installing the built-in cabinets on either side so that we can get the shelving then installed. What else? That'll probably be it for then. Anyway, if you do like the videos, please do give me a thumbs up, and also please do like and subscribe. It does help me a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you have any comments, just shoot me a comment. I do like to read the comments, and I do respond to each and every one. And yeah, so I will see you all next week, and I hope you have a wonderful day from wherever you're watching. Bye.